Hi friends, Ben back again with another product. I'm at Motor Gear Performance and this time we are discussing back busters. So what is Barkbuster all about? It's like the name says, it's busting barks out there on your trips, on your trail riding scenes. So simple, I'll run you through the details of this. What you get to see is a metal spine and a plastic guard. That's about it. So, and of course the clamping system, the mounting system. So I'll just be attaching a picture now for you guys to see how this works. Coming back to the metal spine, plastic guard mounting on metal spine mounting on handlebar. As simple as that. Now what does this do? This saves your fingers when you go trail riding. Trail riding is a fairly new scene in India. This happened maybe the last 3 or 4, maybe 5 years ago when people started getting into the adventure biking scene. Many of us, when we go trail riding, we have problems with hitting stuff with our fingers, bare knuckles. Our knuckles keep hitting all sorts of things. When you try and do the technical stuff, the more difficult, the intricate stuff in mountains, and especially in terrain where there's a lot of bushes. So it's basically a bush guard, if you ask me. It basically saves your fingers from getting banged on repeatedly. So these plastic guards mount on the metal spine. These plastic guards mount on the metal spine, and they save. Technically, these fellows are the fellows who save your hands from getting bashed up by all the twigs. Why the metal spine? Is because when you have a crash, which of course you will do when you do a lot of bush riding, when you have a crash, 90% of the chances are that you end up having a bent lever, you end up having a bent handlebar, and then the issues follow. So a metal spine saves all of that. The metal spine definitely 200% will save your lever. Your lever will not go for a toss. And of course you will not be left with half a lever. Many a times I've had that problem. I've faced this issue where I've dropped the bike and half my lever has gone for a toss, and I come back home riding with just half a lever, which is quite a lot of a job to be able to take after a whole day of riding. So a metal spine will definitely protect your levers from breaking. To a great extent, at times these fellows take the shock first, and they save your handlebars from bending as well. An additional benefit to the plastic guards is these things are wind cutters as well. So if you do a lot of cold weather riding, you will definitely benefit from the plastic shields as well. These things act like a shield. They don't let in all that wind hit you and your fingers. Even if you ride with leather gloves, even if you have weather warmers, and then on top you have your leather gloves, you still do not want the freezing chilly breeze or the air or the wind to keep hitting your fingers, because once these fellows start becoming numb, it's very hard for us to get a good feedback from the levers and the throttle. So this helps in wind cutting also. There are dedicated models for this. One model is called the Storm, the Barkbuster Storm, which is this, by the way. It looks like these. It looks like this. We don't have a stock of it at Motor Gear now, but this is how the product looks like. So this fellow completely engulfs your wrist and your hands, thereby protecting you from the storm, rightly named after the application. So these fellows are called Storms. There's a model called VPS, which is a kind of a modular model, wherein what you can do is you have 2 levels of this particular plastic guard. One is at this height, and then you have an attachment. Maybe this is not the right color for the white. You of course get them in the right paired colors as well. So you attach this and make the VPS guard slightly wider. I'm going to be showing a picture of my motorcycle again, where I will show you how these two work as a combination. And well, of course they do have colorways. They have yellows, they have whites, they have greens, they have all sorts of colors to suit the color of your motorcycle or your riding gear, your apparel, your helmet. And this is as versatile as it can get. Now, talking about Barkbuster, there are hundreds and thousands of knuckle guards in the market, and why Barkbuster is because this is by far the strongest combination of metal spine to plastic guards. There is absolutely nobody else in the market who can claim to have such good quality. Very few top of the line brands offer such quality. Sycra is one, Barkbusters is one. Very few brands, I can't seem to recollect the names, but then again, these are top of the line products. They have been drop tested hundreds and thousands of times on all sorts of terrain by motocross riders. I'm not talking about adventure or dual sport riders. I'm talking about motocross, hardcore fellows who go out into the rocks, who go out into the ruts every single week and drop their bikes millions of times. Those fellows have used Barkbusters for at least 10-20 years now, and there's truckloads of information online if you want to know about the practicality and the authenticity of this particular accessory. This is more of a necessity than an accessory if you're into bush riding, if you're into all sorts of dual purpose riding, dual sports. That is, you go off-road pretty often and you have a tendency to push and to drop your motorcycle. This will definitely come in handy. Some additional features that they offer are LED indicators shaped like an arrow. You can attach these to your plastic guards and they will serve like indicators. So those are additional bits. That's the whole of it. So these things are priced slightly differently. You have the metal spine being sold as a separate unit. You have the plastic additional bits being sold as separate units. You have the guards, the plastic guards being sold as separate units. You have indicators sold as separate units. So it's about what you want, what kind of assembly, what kind of combination would you go ahead with. The price range, I'm guessing, is somewhere around 10,000 to 13,000 rupees. Quite expensive, but definitely worth the money. Put them on and forget them. They will be there no matter what. Your handlebars may take a beating and they may bend, but these fellows will be intact for the rest of your ride. You will never see a Barkbuster break, crack, or just give up on you. At the most, what you will see is scratches on the surface of the plastic. That's about it. So that's another wonderful product, a wonderful must-have accessory if you guys are into bush riding, dual purpose riding, to some extent motocross riding as well, because motocross is not a big scene in India yet. But say, for all the motocross riders, this is a must. But for the others, this is a very serious thought. So that's again me having spoken in great deal about another important accessory. We'll see you guys on another video. This is Ben signing out for now from Moto Gear Performance. Ciao.